Luxury EV collision in China. Yangwang U9, Zeekr 9 involved in high-speed crash a high-profile traffic collision in Zhejiang province, China, on January 29, 2026, involved two of the country's most advanced electric vehicles, the BYD Yangwang U9 supercar and the Zeekr 9 luxury MPV. The incident, documented extensively on Chinese social media, raises questions about the real-world safety performance of high-end EVs. Collision sequence and vehicle damage. The crash occurred at an intersection near Heidao Road, where a Zeekr 9 was stopped at a red light when it was struck by the Yangwang U9 at a high rate of speed. The U9 continued forward after the initial impact, colliding with roadside vegetation and an advertising structure before coming to a stop. A nearby BYD Seagull was also struck during the sequence. The Zeekr 9 sustained significant frontal damage, including a detached right front wheel, while the U9's front structure was heavily damaged. No serious injuries, unusual battery performance despite the severity of the collision. Reports indicate that none of the occupants in the three vehicles suffered serious injuries. Notably, the Yangwang U9 did not exhibit a battery fire or thermal runaway following the high-speed impacts, a point widely discussed in online commentary. This is significant as concerns over EV battery safety in crashes remain a major public debate. Market context and implications. The Yangwang U9 is positioned as a premium electric supercar with limited availability, having been delivered in only a few hundred units as of the time of the incident. The Zeekr 9 is a full-size luxury MPV, while the BYD Seagull is a more affordable compact model. This collision highlights the vulnerability of even high-end EVs to significant damage in severe crashes, and the lack of an immediate battery fire in the U9 could be a positive sign for future EV safety standards. As of reporting, no official investigation results or safety advisories have been released by Chinese authorities, leaving questions about the exact cause and potential design flaws unanswered. The incident underscores the need for transparent crash data and regulatory oversight in the rapidly expanding Chinese EV market. The lack of immediate public findings from officials means that lessons from this crash may not be applied quickly to improve vehicle safety.